What if I told you a man who once sold chai for 10 rupees a cup retired with over 2.5 crores in his bank account? No lottery, no government job, just one simple habit that most people throw away every single morning. Meet Raju, a man from small town in Rajasthan. No degree, no connections, no safety net. Just a small tea stall outside a railway station, earning somewhere between 250 rupees and 400 rupees a day. Every morning before the first customer arrived, Raju had one ritual: 15 rupees on a snack and a cigarette. Harmless, right? That's what he thought too. Then one day, a retired bank officer, one of his regulars, looked at him and said quietly, Raju, that 15 rupees you spend every day, start saving it. Raju laughed. What will 15 rupees do, sir? Even if I save 450 rupees a month, what difference will it make? The old man didn't argue. He just smiled and said, That's the mistake everyone makes. He told Raju something simple. Don't put it in a jar. Don't keep it under your mattress. Invest it every month in a SIP. And whatever you do, don't stop. Raju thought, what do I have to lose? So he started 450 rupees a month into a basic mutual fund. First month, nothing. First year, almost nothing. Second year, still slow. But here is what most people miss. He didn't quit. As his income grew, he did one more thing. He increased his SIP. 450 rupees became 1000 rupees, 1000 rupees became 3000 rupees. Same habit, bigger engine. More than 20 years later, that same Raju, who once put a plastic sheet over his stall when it rained, had quietly, invisibly built a corpus of over 2.5 crore rupees. His tea stall? It's a real cafe now. And that 15 rupees he almost never thought twice about, it had done something extraordinary through one concept most people understand too late: compounding. Warren Buffett calls it the eighth wonder of the world. Here is why: your money earns returns. Then those returns earn returns. Then those earn returns. Slow at first, almost boring. Then, like a snowball rolling downhill, it becomes something no one can stop. Raju didn't have a big income. He had a big habit. Three things made the difference. Start small, but start. Stay consistent, not perfect. Give it time, your most powerful asset. The next time you think this amount is too small to matter, remember Raju. The habit is bigger than the amount. If this made you think differently, share it with one person who needs to hear this today. And follow for more real finance stories that actually make sense. Our role is to inform, yours is to decide. Subscribe for more.